Good morning everyone. In previous video we were discussing about speed, what is the formula of speed and what is the SI unit of speed, and we have discussed about the measuring speed. There are the two device that is fitted in our vehicle. One is the speedometer, second is odometer. Speedometer, it tells the speedometer, it tells the speed of a vehicle, and odometer how long vehicles cover the distance, that is tell odometer. Now we are discussing about the uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform uniform motion, when an object cover equal distance in equal interval of time, it is said to be uniform motion. In other words, we can say a body is said to have uniform motion when it travels equal distance in equal interval of time. What is the definition of the uniform motion? A body is said to be in uniform motion when it covers equal distance in equal interval of time. This definition is clear. A body is said to be uniform motion when it travels, when it covers equal distance in equal interval of time. This is known as the uniform motion. Second is non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion, a body is said to have the non-uniform motion when it travels unequal distances in equal intervals of time. So what is the definition of non-uniform motion? A body is said to have non-uniform motion when it covers, when it travels unequal distances in equal interval of time. Clear? Second one, a body is said to have an have non-uniform motion when it travel unequal distances in equal interval of time. What was the uniform motion definition? Uniform motion. A body is said to have uniform motion when it travel equal distances in equal interval of time. I think it is clear, both the definition. Now, distance time graph. Distance time graphs. What is the definition of distance time graph? The graphical representation in which information is presented with a line is called the line graph. A graphical representation in which information is presented with a line is called a line graph. A line graph which represented the motion of a moving object is called a distance time graph. In distance time graph, time is plotted along a horizontal line. Horizontal line is like this. Okay, horizontal line, and one is the vertical line in the graph. Horizontal this side and vertical this side. This is given name X, horizontal line, or it is given Y. Clear? When these X and Y intersect, O point, this is known as the origin. Let us consider a car moving with a uniform speed. The distance covered by the car A and the time taken are like this: time or distance, 0 time and 0 distance. In time 1 minute it covers the 2 kilometer, and another 1 minute it covers the 4 kilometers, and another 3 minutes it covers the 6 kilometer, and another 4 minutes it covers the 8 kilometer. So how can we plot it? First of all, we take the graph paper. Draw the two lines I have drawn already, perpendicular to each other. Mark the horizontal lines as x-axis and vertical lines as y-axis. Mark the point their intersection as O origin. Clear it? So there are the 3 points. Horizontal line, this is the x, and vertical line, this is the y-axis. And x and y, they intersect to each other point O, and this is known as the origin. Clear? Plot the time along the x-axis. Time कहाँ पे लिखना हमने? Time is here. And distance along the y-axis. Here you write distance. Clear? Now select the appropriate scales to represent the time and distance on the graph to plot the information shown. I have told that should be as follow. Number 1, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute. And in 1 minute it cover 2 kilometer. In another 1 minute it cover 4 kilometer, and another it will cover the 6 kilometer and 8 kilometer. Clear? So what is the time? 1 minute is equal to 2 kilometer. 1 minute is equal to 2 kilometer. Next one, mark the value for the time on the x-axis, for the distance on y-axis according to with the selected scale. In 1 minute it goes 2 kilometer. In another minute it cover the 4 kilometer, and another next third it cover the 6. Then in 4 it cover 8 kilometer. Clear? Mark the point on the graph to represent each set of the value for the time and distance. Join all the points here. This is the point, this is point, this is point, and this is point. Draw line in between. Clear? We have joined the line. It is the straight line. And which type of the motion is this? This is the uniform motion. If the distance type graph is the horizontal line parallel to the x-axis, it indicates stationary object. Distance, so it is known, it is in the position of a stationary object. If time, distance, if the distance type graph in the straight line passing through the origin, then the motion of the object is uniform motion. It is passes through the origin. This is known as the uniform motion. This is the stationary, this is uniform. And one more, if motion is the curve, motion is curved, this is known as the non-uniform motion. Thank you.